Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into something that's been a headache for many iPhone users: playing WebM files. If you're wondering what WebM is, it's a popular video format used for web videos, but unfortunately, iPhones don't support it out of the box in 2025. Don't worry. I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to get those files playing smoothly on your device. First things first, you'll need to download a third-party app that supports WebM files. My top recommendation is VLC Media Player, which is free and available on the App Store. It's reliable and handles a ton of formats, including WebM. Once you've installed VLC, open the app and grant it access to your photos and files. This is crucial for importing your videos. Next, locate your WebM file. You can do this through the Files app on your iPhone. Simply navigate to where your file is stored, whether it's in iCloud, Google Drive, or your local storage. Tap on the file and select Open With, or share it directly to VLC. If you're having trouble, make sure the file isn't corrupted and that you're on the latest iOS update, as Apple might have improved compatibility by 2025. Once the file is in VLC, hit play, and voila! Your WebM video should start streaming without issues. For better performance, adjust the app's settings, like enabling hardware acceleration if available. If you run into errors, try converting the file using online tools like Handbrake, but that's only if VLC doesn't work for you. Remember, always download apps from trusted sources to keep your iPhone secure. This method works on all recent iPhone models, from the iPhone 15 series up to the latest releases in 2025. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Word count: 348.